Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, okay, before I go into that, how are you and how are you doing today? Hope you're beautiful. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an healthy drink that would actually help you to gain a whole lot of weight at the right place. Yeah, okay, this is actually very simple and you do not need to just take once and be like, oh okay, let me watch while I drink. No, you have to drink it again and again. Okay, all right, so let me take you right into this video. Please do not forget to give me a like if you do love the video, and also subscribe to my channel and share the video. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so to gain those healthy weights, we're gonna be needing some milk. Okay, so you need a full cream milk for this. Okay, that's when it's gonna work. Okay, what we're going to do now is that we're gonna be turning this milk into our cup, and here we have milk. Yeah, so the next ingredient is banana. The next ingredient is banana. Now, using banana for weight gain is very ideal because it's going to help so much to increase your weight. Yeah, so we're going to be taking as much banana as you want. So I just need just 2 pieces of this banana. I would have to be blending it. Okay, now we're done blending banana. And then we're going to be turning it into a bowl. Okay guys, so the next ingredients we're gonna be needing for this is granola, and we're gonna be using fresh granola because there are some people who react to fried granola with some pimples and breakouts and all of that, and fresh granola is better for this because it has all of the full benefits, yeah, in gathering those healthy fats at those areas in which you need them the most. So I'm going to be putting in water. Then I'll blend it. Okay, so after blending, this is what we have here, granola, and I have a whole lot of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be turning the granola into this milk. Now the reason why you should actually just blend this granola and mix it up is because when you want to eat it like that, you won't be able to just eat fresh granola, you know, like that. Yeah, so that's why you need to blend it. Okay, so after putting that together, so I'm going to be using yogurt. Yogurt is very perfect in terms of gaining weight. If you are aiming to gain weight, just drink yogurt every day, and it's going to help to grow you a lot of weight. So I'm equally going to be needing some honey. Now honey is very essential for this ingredient, okay, because it will actually make it taste well. It doesn't contribute anything into gaining this weight, but it's going to just make this whole thing taste really good. Okay, that's just the essence of putting the honey. And when you put it, you have to stir it very well, just like mine. You see, mine is organic honey, so it goes beneath to settle. Okay, so that's why you're seeing it there. Okay, so since you would have to be gaining weight, you would add up an ingredient that would help you to avoid stretch mark. It will increase the vitamin C on your skin, and that ingredient is this, and this is orange. Okay, so you're going to take a little orange. Now orange does not contribute anything in gaining weight. Okay, it doesn't. Orange does not contribute anything, okay, but it's going to help you for the skin, and that's why I'm actually adding it up, because you need a good skin as well as you need some, you know, fat deposited here and there. Okay, you need some beautiful, good and amazing skin also. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, so drink this in the morning, drink this also in the evening, and you are going to be gaining weight, and you are going to be getting those curves, those back and front curves, and it's actually not going to make you grow stomach. Okay, it's going to make you slay. You're gonna be a slay queen. You slay, you queen, you slay. Okay, so do this. Let me have a taste. Wow, this is so yummy. Okay guys, so drinking this would help you to gain those amazing healthy weights, and it will also, you know, prevent you from having belly fat, because it's actually unhealthy fat. Okay, all right, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.